Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josh Moore and this is African Focus. So today I'm just bringing you a laid back, chilled out session of the expressway. Now if you haven't seen the expressway, this will be a good video for you to just watch and enjoy and see more of it. So I have more videos lined up of this manner. I have a night video of how the expressway looks like at night. So make sure you are tuned in, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and most importantly, share and enjoy the video. So we're going to start here at Museum Hill, so a little bit of Museum Hill all the way up to Bellevue, which is near the Southern Bypass Interchange. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to hit that like button, and if you love it, make sure to subscribe.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change.